Hello my lovelies, how's everybody doing on this wonderful, wonderful day? So this is a 1 peso coin. I've done one of these before, I think. There's one in my shop. I quite like them. Loads of detail. So I'm going to use a 1/2 inch punch because this is a slightly larger coin. The days fly by, don't they? Right, let's go over to the one and only. Sexy down. Big Bertha. I keep saving all these plugs. I don't know what I can do with them. There must be something I can do with them. She's there. Looks like she's leaking a bit on me again. She's getting damp on me. Right, needs a bit of a slap on the bottom. Right. I just want to clean that up. I punched it through. It's looking a bit sad. It's Christy Burr, my deburring tool. You just want to make sure it's nice and clean with no cracks or splits forming. Otherwise you're going to split your ring when you start pulling it about. Bit of polish on my hand there. God knows where that came from. If you're looking for a custom ring, I could probably help you out there. You can send me your own coins, or you can check out my shop, yourfingermyring.com. There you go, it's nice and clean. We just want to show a bit of love with Bernie. This is called annealing. Sounds like a hurricane, doesn't it? Any of my American viewers or subscribers live in them sort of areas where you get hurricanes and tornadoes? Must be scary, you know. Must be bloody terrifying if it's right above your house. Your house disappears and you're in the bloody bath or wherever it is you do. Crazy. Right, let's find a 17-degree folding die that'll fit in. Obviously this is going to be face side up on the ring. Sunny side up, so this goes face down. Oh, too small. Just right. Right. Go to big red. Big Bad Red. And this is a 17-degree folding cone. Okie dokie. We just want to check this side again. This edge, make sure it's clean. No cracks forming. There you go. Looking pretty good. It's a bit thin there, but hopefully we'll be okay. Now the one and only. Spiky. A bit of kitchen roll protects the inside of the coin. A ring. You don't lose the detail. So we're getting there. First of all, you want to get that bow out of it. Give it a bit of a turn each time. Keeps the ring sort of stretching equally all the way around. Who the hell wants an unequal stretched ring? I certainly don't. There you go. A bit more. Yeah, I think we're okay there. Not looking too bad. A couple of pumps without the kitchen roll. See that bow's gone. Now you just want to get rid of that cone shape. So I showed a bit more love with Bernie. That should do. Nice cherry red. Ouch, it's still hot. Oh, I dropped it, but it rolled back to me. That's nice, wasn't it? Thoughtful of it. Right, go to the bottom end of spike. These are reduction dice. All different sizes. There's different sizes both sides. This came with this. Quality is crap, but it's I do use it because it's not too bad. I did get a good one. This is about 80 bucks. A lot bigger, but the quality, the finishing is amazing. Got it from the States. About 80 euros, I think. And I think I'll have to use this one on this. So what we got? Yeah, this side. They're different on each side. Yeah, just looking to straighten up them walls a bit. Maybe a bit the other way. Just a touch. So Gary from the States, I watched a couple of your videos. You're quite good on the old guitar, aren't you, man? I'm quite envious of you there. Wish I could play the guitar. I mean, the things, if you'd have known then what you know now, life would have been totally different. I mean, when I left school, you know, I wasn't really sort of interested in Jack or anything. Went to the careers officer. I had to go after so many months of not doing anything. He says, what do you want to do? I says, I don't know. He said, do you want to work in an office? I says, nope, I don't want to work in an office, so I want to use my hands. He said, okay. He says, do you want to be a landscape gardener? And I just laughed. I thought, good God, no. Bloody good job nowadays, I tell you. Make a fortune, some of these guys. He said, how about electrician? I said, yeah, okay, you know. So I got sent along to this little tiny electrical company in Seven Kings, Essex. Goes in there, you know, I didn't have no idea what was going on. Sat down with this guy. Top smoker this bloke was. Mr. What's his name was, I can't remember his first name. He says, why do you want to be an electrician? I said, I've always liked playing with wires. I mean, you know, you're 16. Anyway, he says, yeah, okay, you've got a job. And I hated school, I hated it. More than anything. I used to like drama and art and stuff like that. So I starts the first day, and guess what? I had to go to college for 5 years, 1 day a week for 5 years. I thought, shit, I hated school. Then I was going to college, but, you know, a bit different than normal school. But yeah, passed my exams, and I got my A, got my B, got my C, and I've got my ONC and my HNC. And yeah, I loved it. Then I moved to Norwich, worked for the council for a little while, which was crap. House bashing, you know, rewiring houses, not my cup of tea. I moved to Cornwall, was doing supermarkets and stuff like that. And then I got into shipbuilding, and that was fantastic. Loved it. See the world, got paid to see the world. Worked in the States, Portland, Oregon. I was there for like 5 or 6 months doing a riverboat. Yeah, it's good fun. There you go. That's cleaned out. If you don't take that edge out, it can be uncomfortable to wear. So let's break out Kate Bush. This just takes the fire scale off. It's like quad zero steel wool. Too much volume, I think. It's a bit hot. Turn it down a bit. Ouch. I'll never forget it. When I was working in Italy, you're doing chips in Italy as well, like. And the pizzas there are absolute shite. You couldn't get a decent pizza in Italy. Honestly, that was terrible. But one thing I did find was the best Chinese restaurant ever. It was fantastic. But the pizzas were terrible, man. Absolutely terrible. Right. Oh, I should have changed it first, shouldn't I? You stupid boy. Right, let's chuck in Felton John. Yeah, he thought pizzas, there we go. Absolute horrendous. This is like a felt pad on the end of this thing. Right, what we got? What do we got? Clean the old mingers off. My girlfriend finishes these off because my hands are still covered in oil and bloody polish and God knows what else. Everything sticks to these cloths. Everything. Right, how's it looking? If you prefer the Edwin look, I could just run over Kate Bush over it again for you. There you go, folks. Oh, I think I've done the wrong side. I wanted the inside to be on the outside, but there you go. 1 peso. I must have put it in the wrong way up. I'd have preferred this on the outside of the ring. Stupid boy. Anyway, it is what it is. It says hit the like button 1,979 times. And on the inside it says please hit the subscribe button. What side do we get? We've got to slightly always measure from the reeded side of the coin because that's the thickest part of the coin. And let's try and find some stuff on this thing. This is a size 12 3/4 nearly. I can make it smaller, I can make it bigger. So thanks for watching. Have a great day, have a great evening, have a great afternoon, have a great something wherever you are. Love you all, and tubby bye bye.